Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, School Morning Assembly Anchoring Script on the theme Generosity. And the script is: do all the good you can, by all the means you can, in all the ways you can, in all the places you can, at all the times you can, to all the people you can, as long as ever you can. Have you ever felt that we experience joy when we have intention to give? We experience joy in the action of giving, and we experience joy in remembering that we have given. This is because the fragrance remains in the hand that gives the rose. And with these motivational words, I'm Meenakshi from class 8, standing here to present today's morning assembly on the theme Generosity. Dear God, teach us to be generous and to serve all. Let us start today's morning assembly with God's prayer. Now, everybody, join your hands, close your eyes, and start prayer. Put down your hands. We all love and respect our nation and its people. Taking a pledge reminds us of our responsibilities and duties we have toward our nation. To lead the pledge, I invite on stage Paras from class 8. Thank you very much, Paras. Generosity has to do with selflessness and kindness toward others. It involves being willing to share resources and look out for the needs of others. Instead of focusing on ourselves and our desires, there are other ways to be generous. Generosity does require work and practice. We might not automatically be generous people, but with prayer, practice, and help from God, we can develop a generous heart. And with this, let's refresh with today's thought. I invite on stage Raman from class 8 to share thought of the day with us. Good morning, everyone. My name is Raman. Thought of the day is: you have not lived today until you have done something for someone who can never repay you. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you very much, Raman. Being updated with the world's happenings and being informative is a great confidence booster. Newspaper provide us with up-to-date information about what is happening in the world and around us. But due to shortage of time, we don't get time to read the newspaper. Here I invite on stage Dishi from class 8 for today's news headlines. Thank you very much, Dishi. Dear friends, if we have good vocabulary, it will help us to develop our communication skills, and it's time to enhance our vocabulary with word of the day. I invite on stage Sajal from class 8 to share with us today's word. Good morning everyone. My name is Sajal. Word of the day is philanthropy, which means the activity of helping the poor, especially by giving them money. Synonyms of philanthropy are charity, patronage, and antonyms are hurt, injury. I'm using this word in a sentence. Their philanthropy saved people from destitution. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you very much for enhancing our vocabulary. Generosity is a quality like honesty and patience, and we all probably wish we had more of. When we show generosity, we might give away things or money or put others before ourselves. But generosity is about more than cash and stuff. And next, I invite on stage Manvi from class 8 to deliver a speech. Thank you very much, Manvi. It's time to show respect towards the country. Our national anthem is the pride of our nation and induces a sense of patriotism, courage, and nationalism amongst us. Let's sing together our pride, our national anthem. And after national anthem, thank you very much to all of you for your cooperation. Have a great day ahead.